Welcome to our channel. If Audible isn't playing your audiobooks or you're encountering download errors, follow these step-by-step instructions to fix the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection by opening a web browser and testing your network speed to ensure you have adequate bandwidth for streaming or downloading. Step 2. Close the Audible app completely and reopen it. On iOS, swipe up from the bottom and close the app. On Android, go to Recent Apps and force Stop Audible. Step 3. Update the Audible app to the latest version. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Audible, and tap Update if available. Step 4. Check your device storage space. Audiobooks require significant storage, so delete unnecessary files if your device is nearly full. Step 5. Log out of your Audible account and log back in. This refreshes your library and can resolve authorization issues. Step 6. Remove the problematic audiobook from your device and download it again. Swipe left on the title and select Remove, then download it fresh. Step 7. Restart your device completely. Power off your phone or tablet. Wait 30 seconds, then power it back on. Step 8. If using the desktop app or website, clear your browser cache and cookies, then try playing the audiobook again. Step 9. Contact Audible customer support if the problem persists, providing details about your device, app version, and the specific error message. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.